in this video, I'll show you how to turn this 3D print that's like really rough into this. So let's get into it. So first you gotta sand this. So let me give you a time lapse. So now after you sanded it so it's like somewhat smooth but like still a little rough, you can spray it with primer. But if you have like really rough areas, you could use like a Dremel or something, like right here, right there. And then and like, I'm not sure you can see that, but that's somewhat smooth, not as bad as in the beginning, but it's I would still have to spray with like primer. Or you could actually use some spot putty as well if it's like really rough. But in my case, all I gotta do is just spray it with primer, sand it down, and yeah. Now you just gotta spray it with some primer. And remember to always shake it. And now you just gotta let it dry. And then you sand it down. And then, actually no, you could spray it twice. Spray it twice, then sand it down, then prime it again. And then, yeah. So I did this off camera, but I basically just went and sanded it. And it's already like smoother already. I could feel it. You probably can't tell because you can still see the layer lines, but it's already smoother. And now you could just prime it again and then sand it, and it'll be like almost as smooth as a just as smooth as a mirror, basically. And then so you could see that. Yeah, you can still see a little bit of the lines, but after like I prime it again and sand it, you probably won't be able to see it. Now after a little more priming and sanding, it's completely smooth, as you can see. And I also use some water to wash off the dust. And then let me show you what it looks like after you spray it with some shiny stuff. And this is for a Mandalorian suit I'm working on, by the way. Now for the shine, I'm gonna use this Rust-Oleum metallic finish. And then just a little, let me like move this to there. Okay, and now just some light coats. And you just want to like layer that until that thing is completely shiny. Because you don't want too thick of coats or else it's gonna like drip and it's not gonna look good. So just light coats. And this stuff like dries super quickly, so like you could just like layer it after. Like, and you can see there I didn't do that well of a job, but it should be fine after I weather it, then you would barely notice. And this is not supposed to be Bhaskar, because if it's Bhaskar then it's way darker. So there's gonna be like, cause I'm gonna paint a white over it. Cause I'm gonna do like a custom Mandalorian cosplay. Together, I need you now. Oh shucks. And this is, folks, this is why it's important to have stuff weighing stuff down and not have a dirty mat. You guys see that? That's like really shiny. Now you can see the shine in that, right? Does not completely dry it, but as you can see, that looks like metal. You see that? Also, apologies for the spray paint thing. I was half holding the camera, half spray painting, so I couldn't really see what I was filming. So yeah, that's why you can half see what I'm doing. And when yeah, looks like that looks really nice. Guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. And if you like this, okay, I'm not gonna say that's too horny. Horny? I mean corny.